guys, my orchids. It's been a couple of years and I keep watering it with the rice water. When I cook rice, I don't throw it. Instead, I water it to my orchids, and you can see have new roots over there, and it's a small one growing there. It's really healthy, but I have problem here. As I remember, I saw a video from YouTube that what is those, like cinnamon. I think a cinnamon can help this, but I don't do it yet. So as you can see, I'm waiting for flowers, but not yet. The over here I have small one. Bear with my voice. I have cough. My voice is gone. So let's see if they give us flower.